In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form that feeds responses straight into a table so you can review and organize everything in one place. First, open the Airtable base where you want to collect survey responses. Think of a base as the home for this project. Keeping your survey inside the same base as related work makes tracking and reporting much easier. Next, create a table dedicated to survey responses. Give it a clear name so teammates instantly know what it's for. This table is where all submissions will land, one per row, making it simple to sort, filter, or group later. Now add the survey fields. These are your questions. Common examples include name, email, rating, and feedback. Choose the right field types to match the data you want. Single-line text for names, email for contact details, rating or number for scores, and long text for open-ended feedback. If you plan to analyze trends, consider single select options for consistent answers, and keep your field names short and clear. With your table set, create a form. In the View options, choose Create New, then select Form. Airtable will build a form view connected to your table, so every response maps directly to the fields you just created. Customize the survey so it matches your goals. Drag questions to reorder them. Hide fields you don't want respondents to see, and add helpful descriptions to clarify what you're asking. Mark important questions as required to ensure you get the essential data. Keep the form focused. Fewer, clearer questions usually mean better completion rates. Preview the survey to make sure everything looks right on desktop and mobile. Check labels, required indicators, and any help text. It's a good idea to run a quick test submission yourself to confirm responses land in the correct fields exactly as expected. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish to make the survey live. Publishing locks in the current version for sharing, and you can always update the form later if you need to refine wording or add a field. To share the survey, click Share Form and copy the link. You can paste it into an email, chat, or your website, anywhere your audience will see it. The same link will keep working even if you make small tweaks. As responses come in, they'll appear automatically in your Airtable table. From there, you can sort, filter, and group answers, or create summary views to track key metrics over time. Thanks for watching.